Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today. I have a box from Boxycharm, and this is the very last Boxycharm Premium for March 2023. This box will no longer be a Boxycharm Premium. I did slip the tape just a second ago, so this does say Premium inside. Sad that this is the very last one. Let's hope it's a good one. $39.99 a month it was. 6 full-size beauty products. We got to customize 2 of the products in the box. We did pay $1.99 shipping and handling, and we do pay tax. Going to take the paper out, and I'll give you a little sneak peek here as to what I see. It's all over the place. So the card says Planet Woman. We do have, you know, the information, pricing, and this is variation. Let me see. $278 for premium. Okay, and then in it is a little card about creating your own box. Here's a little bit of information for April. Hopefully everybody is straightened out on what's going to go on. I have no clue here. So the first thing I'm going to do is from Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow Lip Pop, Nourishing and Smoothing. $22. Your favorite do-it-all lip product just got a major upgrade. Exfoliating, hydrate, and deposit the perfect pop of color with the new and improved lip pop. Whoa, saved right there. Beautiful. Should be a twist. If I can, yep. Beautiful packaging right here. A little bit of a scent, but not much. Let me just see. It's a super, super light, like pinky color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's super light. Just a little bit, but I love stuff like this, and this is twists on so that it's, well, it does, snaps on. Nice product to have. I think I have one other. Very, very nice. I do like that color. It's pretty natural of a shade. $22, that's a lot. I'm going to save that for last. Let's see what we have here. Goldfaden MD is right here. Detox Hydrating Gel, BHA Skin Balancing Moisturizer. Nice, $68. This is daily hydrating gel, helps clear skin and minimize the appearance of future breakouts, revealing a clear and radiant looking complexion. And it is, okay, something, it just pops off. Yes, let's keep that, and it is a pump. I'm not going to waste any product, and it just snaps back on. Happy to have that. That's a nice product, and it is expensive. So next from Murad, we have a product, Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Love that, $89. Wow. Prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including lids, with this patented technology for potent yet gentle results. All ages and sensitive skin welcome. Helps minimize the signs of aging you can see and the ones you can't see yet. Provides 24 hours of hydration to reduce dryness, and as it instantly brightens, delivers an instant dose of retinol over time to minimize irritation and prolong benefits. It's a big, promising product. It's expensive. I love their packaging, and you can see it is a pump. Once again, I'm not wasting any of this product. I love this kind of stuff. Murad is a phenomenal brand also. What we have here, LaPalette Beauty. I've never heard of them. Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser, $32. This one-step vitamin C cleanser helps to brighten skin while removing debris and makeup. A jelly-like formula, it contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. Okay, and that does have a seal on it, so let's open her up and see packaging looks like. If I could get it open, it would be nice. Okay. Okay, we have a nice clear tube, nice packaging, and we can see that that's pretty full. I can see the gel. Let me see if we have a seal. I think we do. Yeah, there is a safety seal. You can't smell anything, but oh, I'm excited to try that. I've never heard of this brand. Have any of you? I have not. I do have, so that's 4 products. A 5th product is from Laruce. I did get an email, something about a duplicate. This is probably it right here. So Laruce Beauty, this is the Christine set, $50. I don't know if this is the pink or the blue, honestly. I can never get these off. So these are the blue set. So this is a great brush holder on its own, 2 sides. And I will share these because let's get you up so you're not destroying the brush. So we have 2, we have an angled face brush, and we have this, which you could use, the bag is a little messed up. Highlight, you know, powder, whatever you see fit there. Let's get you back down. And then we have 3, we have a blending, a packer, and another, what are you? Concealer brush, but you could use that to pack shadow on. So you get 5 brushes. They're very expensive. I have the blue. Ooh, I have blue, black, and the pink set. I have all, I don't know if they have others, but this comes, it's a nice little, let's get case, but like I said, you could use both ends for brush holder if you don't have a brush holder. It comes in a cute little bag with their name on it. So that I will share. I don't need more brushes. I really don't. This is, and I already have them. And then the last thing here, I think I chose this from Mally Beauty. Best Dress Lids, Neutrals and Bolds, 14 Matte and Shimmer Shadows. Or how do I open you? Right here. Just slip that. Like that. So here's a better look. And then the back is right here. This doesn't feel so secure in there. Let's see. Right here. Okay. 14 mattes and shimmer eyeshadows. So I see 1, 2 mattes. Okay, so that's a little deceiving. So this is the palette right here. I'll probably share this. I need more mattes. I don't need all these shimmers. I won't use them enough for me to keep this. But I figured if I didn't like it, I could always share it. I wish there was more mattes. But it is what it is, and I will share that. I'm not upset to do that. I'll put you back in your little holder here just to protect. Why not? A piece of tape. I'll get that off. So tell me what you thought of this very last premium. It's okay. For the last one, I mean, I think I would have gone out with a bang, personally. Am I surprised it's just mediocre? I mean, I love everything in here. I will share the brushes and the palette. Everything else I will keep. So it's still a good premium. I wish the palette had a little bit more mattes. You know, if I didn't already have the brush sets, I would keep them for sure. Laruce brushes are very nice. They're just very expensive. I mean, 5 brushes, $50. Brushes about $10 a piece. Normally, sometimes a little less. It's really not badly priced. You know, the skincare, Murad and Goldfaden, they're the expensive ticket items, $89 and $68. Like I said, I have my phone. So let's add up and see what we have going on for value. And I'll be able to tell you that now. It's going to be an expensive box, but let's see. $306 value for probably about $45 by the time they tax and shipping and handling, $45. So that's not bad at all. Not angry at that. But like I said, this is Planet Woman for March 2023. The very last Boxycharm Premium that you're ever going to get if you get premium. I'm waiting for my Luxe to come. I'm hoping that that is like a good Luxe. This is not bad. I love 4 of the products. I like the other 2, but like I said, I can't use them. So I would have loved a box that I could keep everything. So, but I never mind sharing on the other side. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get premium? Did you get your premium yet? Kind of sad to see Boxycharm just going away, fading, and just riding into the sunset. Boxycharm is no longer. I know it's Boxycharm by Ipsy, but that's more of, to me, the Ipsy Plus. If you know, I don't really see much of Boxycharm coming over. So it is what it is. Let's hope April goes smoothly. I don't have high hopes. My opinion, but I don't have high hopes for it. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.